In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best RGB gaming keyboard in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best RGB gaming keyboard. Number 1, SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 Gaming Keyboard. OmniPoint 3.0 Hypermagnetic switches, adjustable actuation, rapid trigger, OLED display, RGB, PBT keycaps, USB-C. OmniPoint 3.0 Hypermagnetic switches, ultra-fast magnetic Hall effect switches with adjustable actuation from 0.1 to 4.0 mm for personalized responsiveness, adjustable actuation and dual actions. Customize key sensitivity for rapid or deliberate presses. Assign 2 actions to a single key for advanced macros, rapid trigger and rapid tap slash. SOCD support. Minimize input delay for competitive FPS and esports gameplay. Protection mode prevents accidental key presses by temporarily lowering sensitivity of surrounding keys. OLED smart display. Monitor performance, adjust settings, and view media info without leaving your game. RGB illumination and presets per key. Customizable RGB lighting with game-ready profiles via SteelSeries GG software. Premium build. Durable double-shot PBT keycaps, detachable USB-C cable, and compact TKL layout for esports. Take your gaming to the next level with the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3, designed for professional and competitive players. Featuring OmniPoint 3.0 hypermagnetic switches, this tankless keyboard delivers lightning-fast response times and fully adjustable actuation for precision in every key press. The rapid trigger and rapid tap slash SOCD features enhance gameplay accuracy, while protection mode prevents accidental key presses during intense sessions. The built-in OLED smart display gives real-time performance info and allows on-the-fly adjustments, and fully customizable RGB lighting ensures your setup looks as good as it performs. Crafted with durable PBT keycaps, a detachable USB-C cable, and a compact esports-ready layout, the Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 is built for speed, reliability, and competitive edge. Number 2, Redragon K580 VATA RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Blue switches, hot-swappable, 5 macro keys, dedicated media controls, RGB LED backlit. 0.5 programmable macro keys assign complex commands on the fly without software. Hot-swappable sockets easily swap 3/5 pin mechanical switches for personalized feel. Dedicated media controls, quick access to volume, playback, and backlight adjustments. RGB LED backlighting, 18 lighting modes with adjustable brightness and side edge illumination. N key rollover and anti-ghosting, accurate multi-key presses for competitive gaming. Durable build, double-shot keycaps rated for 50 keystrokes, dust and spill resistant. Blue mechanical switches, clicky tactile feedback, ideal for gaming and typing. The Redragon K580 VATA delivers a balance of performance, customization, and durability for gamers. Its hot-swappable design allows easy switch replacement, while 5 onboard macro keys let you execute complex commands instantly. Dedicated media controls and a responsive volume/backlight will keep you in control during gameplay. Experience vibrant RGB illumination with 18 dynamic modes and anti-ghosting technology for precise input. The keyboard's double-shot keycaps and robust construction ensure long-lasting durability, while blue mechanical switches provide satisfying tactile feedback for both. Number 3, Logitech G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard. Wired RGB backlit with mech-dome keys, palm rest, media controls, adjustable feet, USB, Windows Black. Mech-dome keys, tactile, responsive keys optimized for gaming with quiet operation. RGB backlighting, customizable 5-zone lighting with 16.8 million colors via Logitech G Hub. Dedicated media controls, quick access to volume, playback, and mute without leaving the game. Ergonomic design, integrated palm rest and adjustable feet for comfortable long gaming sessions. Spill resistant and durable, built to withstand everyday use and minor liquid spills. Easy USB plug and play, reliable wired connection compatible with Windows PCs. The Logitech G213 Prodigy offers a full-size gaming keyboard experience with mech-dome keys that provide tactile feedback and smooth key presses. RGB LightSync backlighting enhances your setup with 16.8 million colors and Number 4, TECKNET Gaming Keyboard, USB wired, 15-zone RGB backlit, IP32 water resistant, 25-key anti-ghosting, all-metal panel, whisper quiet gaming switch point. 15-zone RGB illumination, dynamic backlighting with multiple colors and effects to enhance your gaming setup. Whisper Quiet Gaming Switches smooth and silent key presses ideal for long gaming sessions. 25 key anti-ghosting accurate multi-key registration for competitive gaming. IP32 water-resistant design protects against accidental spills and dust. Durable all-metal panel robust construction for long-lasting gaming performance. USB wired connection reliable plug-and-play setup for Windows PCs and laptops. The TECKNET Gaming Keyboard combines performance, style, and durability in a sleek wired design. Its 15-zone RGB backlighting delivers vibrant colors and lighting effects to match your gaming setup, while Whisper Quiet switches provide smooth and silent key presses. Designed for accuracy, the keyboard features 25 key anti-ghosting, ensuring every key press is registered even during fast-paced gaming. Its IP32 water-resistant and dust-resistant design, along with a sturdy all-metal panel, makes it durable for everyday gaming. Easy USB plug-and-play connectivity ensures quick setup for Windows PCs and laptops, making it a versatile choice for gamers. Number 5 mech-G RGB Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo, K1 RGB LED Backlit 104 key keyboard for PC/laptop white. RGB LED backlit keyboard 10 for full-size keys with customizable lighting effects for an immersive gaming experience, ergonomic design comfortable layout suitable for long gaming or work sessions. Durable build sturdy construction for everyday use on PC or laptop, included gaming mouse smooth and precise mouse included for complete gaming setup. Plug-and-play USB connection easy setup. Compatible with Windows PCs and laptops. White color scheme sleek design adds a clean, modern look to your gaming desk. The mech-G K1 RGB Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo provides a complete entry-level gaming solution for PC and laptop users. The 104-key full-size keyboard features vibrant RGB LED backlighting, delivering multiple lighting modes for a dynamic gaming environment. The included ergonomic gaming mouse ensures precise control and smooth performance for both gaming and productivity. Durable construction and plug-and-play USB connectivity make this combo easy to set up and reliable for everyday use. Its stylish